Don't you just hate it when your pork crackling doesn't crackle? I've tried many techniques over the years to cook pork belly, and this, in my view, is the only way that guarantees that perfect crunch every single time. To make this dish, we start off by adding 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Give it a good mix, and now put that rub all over the flesh side of your pork belly. That's it, pat it in nice and firm. Now, once on a baking tray, give your skin side another light dusting of table salt. And now pop it in the oven for around 3 hours and cook it low and slow.
Oh, yes.
After 3 hours, bring it out of the oven and then sprinkle the skin with some more salt. Do your best to get it deep into the cuts that you've made, patting it down and getting that salt nicely rubbed in. Now carefully add your pork to a medium hot pan, pushing it down firmly to get all of that hot oil into those cuts and penetrating the salt. Keep a close eye on your pork, as this is the key time. You'll start to see it bubble around the edges, and it doesn't hurt to let it roll into some of the oil to coat some of the sides. Now for the sauce, add a glass of pork to a medium heat pan, and then 2 tablespoons of quince paste. Once the quince paste has dissolved, you're left with a beautiful silky sauce for your pork. And I find the sweetness of the sauce offsets some of the saltiness of the pork belly, and especially the pork crackling. Cut your pork into nice portion sizes. I'm finding this a little tricky one-handed, although I do have another hand, I just didn't want to get it in the shot. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked pork belly with guaranteed crispy skin crackling every time. Enjoy. And if you want to see more dishes that are great for sharing with friends and family, please hit subscribe.